Oops. Thanks, baby. Thanks. It's a baby running in the hallway. Alright. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this very bold fall look right here. I added the rhinestones because I'm super obsessed with this trend going around. The rhinestone on my hand. I must say these are hell to work with. It just like makes any look like really glam and really different and out there, and it's just really fun. So I'm gonna enjoy it while it's here. If you guys are new, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Also follow me on my social media, which is linked down below, as well as right here. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Hey guys, so let's get started. So first I'm going to prime my face using the Smashbox Primerizer, and then I'm going to be using the Smashbox like primer water that was a collab with Nicole Concilio, and spray that all over my face. So next for foundation, I'm using Bye Bye Foundation by IT Cosmetics. It's way better to be applied with your fingers. I know I used a beauty blender and a brush in this tutorial, but for sure do it with your fingers because it is more of a moisturizer. It's so good, and even though it has SPF, it doesn't have any flashbacks, as you can tell from the pictures that I posted at the beginning of this video. So no need to worry about that. So I'm just going to blend that in with the Beauty Blender and then go in with my favorite concealer of all time, which is this Maybelline Master Conceal in Light. It is so good, and it's a drugstore concealer, so great price point. How much better can that get? Okay, so for setting powder, I'm using the Patrick Star Matte Cosmetics. This setting powder really just blurs out your face. It's amazing. And then to set the rest of my face, I'm using the Kat Von D foundation powder in medium 52 and just lightly applying that all across to make everything all seamless. For bronzer, I'm using this Marc Jacobs bronzer. It's a gigantic bronzer and it's beautiful color, so very highly recommend. You do get a lot of product for the amount of money you do spend on it. As for blush, I'm using this Smashbox blush trio in this like lighter peach color. I'm using a lot of Smashbox in this tutorial, but what can I say? It's very good. Next, going with Dose of Colors and the Desi X Katie collection from the first time, and using Fuego to highlight that face. And then I'm just going in with this nose contouring brush that was like Britney Bare makeup, I'm pretty sure, and Morphe collab. I normally don't contour my nose, but I'm turning a new leaf here and I'm trying that out. For brows, I'm using the Ulta eyebrow pencil, nothing really special. This is in soft brown. And then to set the eyebrows so they don't get all crazy like they like to do, I'm using the Kybrow Eyebrow Gel from Kylie Cosmetics. And now we gotta fuel up again, let's be real. So next we're going in with eyeshadow, and first I'm going to use the bronzer just lightly in my crease to give it some definition, and then I'm going in with some single eyeshadows from ColourPop. The first one I'm going to be taking is Freckles, and then I'm going to be deepening it up even further with Noche from ColourPop also. It's the I Love Serai and ColourPop collab that they did a couple of years ago, I'm pretty sure. Alright, so for the glam part, I'm using Noli from the Desi X Katie eyeshadow palette, round 1 with Dose of Colors. And then I'm going in with Just a Kiss from the Friendcation palette on top. And then underneath my eyes, I'm just running Freckles to deepen it up just like ever so slightly. I don't like to do a lot on my lower lash line because I find it just makes my eyes look kind of droopy and weird. So for eyelashes, I'm using Ardell Wispies in 700, and then I'm taking Morphe eyeliner in Secret. It's like a goldy brown color. And then I'm kind of just smudging that out again with the pencil brush. Now for the most difficult thing of all, I used rhinestones just from the dollar store and some eyelash glue. As you can see, I was having a ball. I didn't get much footage of this just because honestly, they were playing me. It's so annoying to work with sometimes. For my lipstick, I'm using Leo Lip Kit by Kylie Cosmetics. And then after that, girl, you are done. Okay guys, this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe before you leave, and I will see you guys in my next video.